tayo ditong LED.
Ano na naman bagayan?
LED straw hat LED. Tinatawag na straw hat LED. Ayun
Oy, ano yun? Kung ano yan?
Gagamitin natin ito sa ating project. O lagay natin sa circuit.
Ano ba yan?
Ito ang bago nating project. Ayun, nakalagay na. Dito meron tayo ditong grabber's hook. Diba? Yan yung nag-grab. At meron tayo dito switch. Ito ay self-locking switch. 6 na pins. At meron tayo dito connection.
Oy, ano naman ang ano yan?
Meron tayo ditong 9 volts. Connected yung LED. Then pag pinindot ko yung switch, ayun, umilaw, diba? Pindot, off, press, on, off.
Oy, ano naman ngayon yan?
Ay ginamit natin itong 6-pin na switch as a lot switch. So ito yung gamit niya. Paano gamitin ang ating bagong switch. 6-pin. Nagiging siya, self-locking switch. On. Maluwag. On. Off. On. Off. On. Off. So meron na tayong push on, push off switch using this double pole, double throw na switch. On, off. Ang on niya pag nakapress. Maluwag. Ayun. Off. On. Maganda yung ilaw ng ating straw hat LED. Scattered. Para siyang may rays. Diba? Yung ilaw ng straw hat LED. Lakas. 9 volts siya na ang gamit na resistor ay 470 ohms. Scattered yung nyo. We have now 3 figures. Figure 1, Figure 2, Figure 3 for our project. And Figure 1, we have this 6 pins self-locking switch, which is double pole, double throw type of switch, pin out. If we're going to see the actual, so this is the actual. Okay? And Let us calibrate the camera. We have the marker, the push button, the marker, and into the middle, this is the pin number 1. Pin number 2 to the right pin. Remember that there is 3 pins into the left and then 3 pins to the right, and the marker is this, a 2-hole marker. So it means this is pin number 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 6. Okay? And initially, pin number 3 and 4 is in off position. So when you press the switch, so pressing the switch, this is the without pressing the switch. Pressing the switch. Now we'll go here into the on position 5 and 6. Okay, we have we call that a throw. Okay, this is based on the actual pin out. Looking at the actual module, actual switch. Oops. Pin 1, the positive of the battery is connected, and then pin 2, the negative. So in here, at the left side, they are all in a positive polarity. Pin number 3 and pin number 5. And into the left side, a negative polarity. This diagram is based on the actual switch. Okay? If we're going to look at the schematic diagram of a double pole, double throw switch, this is now the symbol. We have the supply, positive, negative, pin number 1, the same here. Then the negative, pin number 2. And then in the opposition, off. It is off at the moment. Off. Why? Because our switch is not connected to the LED. They are hanging. And what is this? What do you call this? This bar. This is called a pole. If we have single pole, single throw, SPST. Single pole means we have one pole that is movable. And the throw, that is the one we're going to connect. So single pole, single throw. This one is a pole and this one is the throw. If we have a single pole, double throw, it means the throw is double. So if we're going to draw that, single pole, throw, the throw is double. Looks like this. Throw 1, throw 2. Single pole, the pole is single. Double throw, the throw is double. You can connect it through throw 1 or throw 2. In this case, usually this is a case of a slide switch. Here, this is an ordinary switch with a single pole, single throw, one pole. That's why it is SPST. In our case, we have this double pole, double throw. So it means this, since this is our throw, this is our pole, they are double. And then the throw, they are double, right? Considering this, why is it it should be only one set or one pair of throw to be drawn? Why is it that it has two? Because our pole is gang, or it means when we move the pole 1, automatically the pole 2 will also move. Gang. They are connected to each other. Gang. So when we move the pole 1 to position 5, it follows that this pole will also move to position number 6. So making this a double throw. When we move that by pressing the switch, LED now turns on because there is a current that flows from positive of the battery to the R1 and then to the D1 white and then back to the ground. So when you press it again, releasing the switch, it will no longer connected to the 9 volts, our load. So this is a double pole, double throw switch. Using this type of switch, a 6-pin. In actual, there in the middle, you connect the battery. And then, this one, the pole is connected here. Normally, in off position. Off. And when you press that, the pole will move from 3 to 5. 2 to 6. Since they are gang, they will move together. The 3 and the 4 will move to pin number 5 and pin number 6, making this LED to turn on. So that is the double pole, double throw. And we're using the switch as a push on, push off, on, off, on, off. Due to the pole and the throw connection by pressing the switch. Normally, if we did not press the switch is connected this way in an off position, 1, 3 and 2, 4, in which the battery is connected. And we press the switch again. We'll move the pole into pin number 1 to 5, 1, 5, causing the current to flow to the resistor, to the LED, and moving the pole to pin number 6, 2 and 6, causing to have a closed circuit, making a complete circuit from positive of the battery, a conventional current flow, which is the clockwise direction. That is the clockwise direction. Conventional current flow. Okay? From positive to the pin number 1, moving to pin number 5, and then to resistor 1, and then to diode white, turning this LED on. It will lit up the LED, or it will light the LED. It will turn on the LED. And then from anode to cathode, and then pin number 6 now connected to pin number 2, which is the ground of the battery. So that is the legend of our 6-pin double pole, double throw. Remember, the middle, you're going to connect the battery. All positive to the left side, you're going to connect it, or the load. 3 and 5 in a positive, and 4 and 6 in a negative. 4 and 6. We can also connect a load here. Another LED, set of LED. So when this is on, this one is off. This is off, this one is on. On, off, on. Okay. But in our case, in our project, we're just using one straw hot LED. Where is that? This one. This is a straw hot LED with different lighting characteristics. It has different lights, different LED where we use. This is a straw hot LED. It is different from the diffuse type LED. And now, we have now this. Okay? We can now use the switch as a self-locking switch, sometimes called a toggle switch, or a latch switch, or a push on, push off switch. They are all the same. Self-locking switch, latch switch, toggle switch, push on, push off switch. As long as it latches from on to off,